So you want to become a full-time day trader in 2025? Well, in this video, I'm going to be giving you some tips and advice that I know can help you achieve just that. Hey, what's up guys? My name is Isaac Vera, and in this video, I will be giving you guys 6 tips in order to become a full-time day trader in less than 1 year while having a full-time job. Because I know that everyone's situation might be a little bit different, but this is the route that I would actually take if I wanted to get started. So the number one advice is, or the number one step is getting educated and actually getting started day trading. The very first thing that I would do in order to start my full-time day trading career is getting educated, and getting educated with all of the terminology, technical analysis, trading platforms, etc. By getting educated, the fastest way that you can do it is to find a mentor that can help you along the way, because you want to make the least amount of mistakes as you can possibly commit and scale your growth as a trader in the least amount of time possible. And the only way that you're going to be able to achieve that is by finding a mentor that you can resonate with. Another advice that I could give you is to try to find a mentor that fits your personality and your trading style, of course. Because this way you avoid making the mistakes that your mentor already made, and you get ahead in the game in a smaller period of time, which is the whole point, to save time. Another advice, or the second step that I would recommend you, is to identify your trading style. Identify what type of trader you are and which one resonates the most with your personality. Are you a scalper? Are you a swing trader? Or are you a day trader? Also, make sure that the trading style that you choose resonates with your psychology as a human, because some people are just not built to be swing traders at all because they can't hold positions for a larger period of times. And there's people that just will not be able to scalp well because most scalpers get smaller wins, and they get frustrated when they have to be compounded wins every single day in order to start to add up. As if you were to just take one big swing trade that hits for a 1 to 6 ROR and a 1 to 1 ROR on a scalping strategy. So it has its pros and its cons. So choose which one fits you the best. That's the best advice that I could give you, because I don't know you as a person, but I know that you know yourself and you know exactly how you are as an individual. Are you more patient? So that means that you will be able to hold positions for a larger period of time swing trading. Or maybe you're just a quick in and out person that just like to day trade and just take smaller wins per day and then just compound them. As you have to choose that, and you have to be able to make that decision for yourself. The third tip or advice or step that I could give you is, if you need money to get started, I would pick a job in the afternoons and trade in the mornings, which is when we have the most volume. I know that just by having a 9 to 5 doesn't necessarily mean that you have to work from 9 a.m. to 5 a.m. You can actually find a job in the afternoon and leave the morning for you, as if you were to be doing your business in the day trading space. You don't necessarily have to work in the mornings. You can find a job, so you can fund your career as a day trader and start taking it more seriously in the morning. So whenever you start to see some profitability, you can think twice about keeping the other job and just becoming a full-time day trader in the mornings, and then just go from there. I would find the 9 to 5 in the afternoon to cover your bills and not feel stressed about the money until you start becoming more profitable and stable with your finances and your trading journey. Because you don't want to have your bills being an overhead and impact the way you execute as a trader, or you don't want to be scared or nervous about risking your rent money and putting it all at risk in the market, because this could affect your availability or your ability to take better decisions in the market. So I recommend you to find another stream of income while you can, and fund your account, most importantly, until you're able to manage that stress and becoming a full-time day trader and nothing affects you. The next step that I would recommend you guys is to start to build a trading routine. You need to have a dedicated time for pre-market analysis. You also need a dedicated time to actively trade in the market. And you also need time to backtest your trading strategy and your trading day as well, and see how you performed and how you could improve how you can improve as well. This is one of the most important things to do once you start to see that week after week, month after month, and quarter after quarter, you're coming up profitable. Now it's time for you to start saving some money and deposit it into a real trading account. Another route that you can take is to start getting platforms money, and start getting platforms allows you to trade with capital that is not yours. But once funded, you can get a commission or a profit share, that's how they call it, and take the profits from there and start depositing into your actual trading account. You can start by getting one or two funded accounts and start getting funded, and take some profits from there and start depositing those profits into your real account, which is the actual goal of to trade with your own capital and have your own rules. The next step that I would take is to start a side hustle with the trading profits, and you never rely on one solely source of income. Once you start to see some profitability from the market and from your trading journey as well, always remember to reinvest some of that money into another sources of income to start having your money work for you. Remember to never put all of your eggs in one basket. So make sure to keep your money working for you. So you never have to rely on one source of income alone. So these were the 6 tips in order for you to become a full-time day trader. And I hope it helps you guys. I really hope this video helps you, and if you can, please just give it a thumbs up, and because it would really help my content and it would really keep me motivated as I start to share more of my trading journey and give you guys as much value as I can. Also, don't forget to comment what other video or information you want to see, or what other video you want to see from me. I'm working on some videos just for you guys to get to know me better, so I hope you guys like those as well. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.